North Odisha University, Baripada, is dedicated to provide teaching learning ambience in higher education in order to groom the students to be intellectually responsive, socially responsible, ethically sensitive and professionally competent to pursue basic and applied research in frontier areas of science and technology, law and management. The university has the major objectives of imparting quality education at UG, PG, MPhil and PhD levels to conduct research and development from a broad interdisciplinary perspective to serve as a center for promotive collaborative research work and fostering academic exchange programs between research institutions in India and abroad. The university's mission also includes the following student-friendly initiatives amongst others: providing quality education to students through smart classrooms and well-equipped laboratories, a sprawling library with a reading room having more than 50,000 books, student facilities such as sports and gymnasium facilities, dispensary and hostels for boarding. Students are also engaged in cultural activities. Providing state-of-the-art curriculum that is technology-based like the Swayam portal offering MOOCs courses. Promoting entrepreneurship amongst the students of the university. A startup club is established for the purpose. Ensuring effective, efficient and transparent system of examination, evaluation and publication of results. Promoting industry, institute interface through internships and visiting expert lectures. RFID tagging of books, enhancing ease of issue and return of books, in addition to security. A career counseling center facilitates students for improving their skills for better employability. A functional students' union, a forum through which students can interact with the administration. For the computational and internet needs of the students, a central computing facility and a Wi-Fi campus is provided. Thrust areas of research in which the faculty at North Odisha University are engaged include microbial biotechnology, fermentation biotechnology, immunology, green synthesis, characterization and application of nanoparticles, microbial and angiospermic biodiversity of Simlipal Biosphere Reserve. Bioprospecting of novel microbial strains, grassland ecology of SBR, material chemistry and catalysis, computer security, natural language processing, artificial neural networks, cognitive modeling, soft computing, wireless sensor network, data analytics, developmental economics, applied econometrics, financial economics, environmental economics, translation, life writing, comparative literature, folk literature, tribal language and culture, Vedic literature, grammar, philosophy, folk music and dance, Old Chiki script digitization, condensed matter physics and material science, high energy physics, wildlife biology, toxicology, oncology, developmental biology and fish waste management. NOU publishes journals like North Odisha University Journal of Science and Technology and North Odisha University Journal of Social Science. Also, North Odisha University publishes many academic books. For students, 2 magazines, Bonani and Mayuri, are published. MOUs have been signed with Lund University, Sweden, and we are an active partner of BRICS Collaborative Research Project. Center for Simlipal Studies and Center for Tribal Art and Culture were established, encouraging multidisciplinary research amongst students and faculty of the diverse departments. Interdisciplinary research papers and compendia are also published. Global Warming Reduction Center and Fluorosis Research Center are the other budding and basic research centers in the university. The university has conceptualized a central instrumentation facility plan proposal submitted to the World Bank under IDP program, which is supposed to be functioning on a time-sharing and resource-sharing mode. A faculty and research scholar lecture interaction session on every Friday, NOU Connect, was started in the year 2015, wherein faculty highlight their research in simple terms understandable by each and every other faculty and research scholar, thus bridging the gap between various research domains and researchers, promoting mutual appreciation and respect. Annual Research Scholar Conclave is organized to promote and encourage quality research and enhance the spirit of healthy competition. As part of administrative audit, biometric attendance has been installed at various key locations. The campus is under CCTV surveillance to ensure safety and security of students and resources. The campus is also lit with solar lamps on all major roads. The first of its kind induction training program for SSC teachers was organized in the university for a fortnight to empower women and to spread awareness amongst the youth of the university. Gender sensitization training and workshop has been organized every year for the last 5 years, in which at least 50 students participated each time. North Odisha University had adopted nearby slums and also a village named Giani, which is concentrated upon for developing a model village including education, swachhata, medical help, anti-witchcraft campaigning, self-defense and Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao programs. The university is an active collaborator with Antyodaya Chetana Mandal of Rash Gobindpur to celebrate the 150th birth anniversary commemoration of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi for the next 2 years, that is 2018-2020. A gallery of Mahatma Gandhi and his life was inaugurated by the Honorable Chancellor and Governor of Odisha, Professor Ganeshi Lal, on 11th September 2018. Some of the plans for future include digitized evaluation of PhD thesis with a scorecard, revival of DSc, DLITT, DLIT, LLD programs, formulation of innovative research projects and collaborations, provision of seed money for initiating R&D activities for selected new recruits as assistant professors with innovative startup project ideas, establishment of central instrumentation facility, HRD, training of university, college teachers, skill, entrepreneurship development, career counseling of students, developing university sports complex equipped with indoor stadium and outdoor stadium, developing university healthcare center. The story of NOU does not end here. It is just the beginning.